problem 2 of the bridge construction. So this is more conceptual question rather than involve calculations or quantitative question. Constructing an overpass in an incline over the train track shown, the incline girder bridge, as you can see in here, create a series of special problems for the contractor involved. What would be the list of key? How will you do it? Question that you would make sure the contractor address before they start with their site installation. So suppose you are an engineer of record with this design, and the contractor propose. What are the questions you would ask the contractor before they can start the work? And as you can see here, so you can stop, pause this video, and think what are the concerns if you have it in here. So and then before you really watch the video, so that you can see how to maintain the track, the train go, and then how to drive the pipe between the two tracks in here, how to put the girder. All of that, it creates a challenge, and how to determine the incline for this and still maintain the train go through. That is also significant challenge. So with that one, you can raise many questions that you have. Here I give you a few guidance questions that it need to be checked and asked before we really proceed. What are the cross-sectional areas that have to be kept free over each track? So as you can see, because the track here, we need to keep it free for each track, so the train can go through. So what should be the support system surrounding that? Still maintain the clearance for the train go through. What heavy equipment will be positioned when to install the pipe? Because the pipe in the middle of the through track, how you can position the equipment to pipe the track without interference the operation of the train itself. That is a challenge, the first challenge. The next challenge, design for the shoring. Remember, in the building the bridge, we have the onshore method, shoring method, and other method. This one with the traffic of the train underneath, how can you employ those method for shoring or onshore? Okay, so each method, as we discussed in previous video, is both a challenge and of course associate cost and impact of the safety of surrounding. Special position for the incline, because this inclines, especially under the operation of the trains, how to maintain that the incline for this bridge. And then the safety net to prevent material for fall on track, because when the construction here, you have the material fall down, and that compromise the safety of the train operation, the safety of the people working in that area. So that we have to be the safety net. The safety system to announce the coming of the trains, because you do the pipe cap, you do the pipeline, you do the work, and if the train come and without notice, it can be create the hazards to workers and the people working in this site. So we have what are the warning system we use, and training of workers about the safety system, because this is of course any construction project, we need to have a training for the safety training for the workers. But this one even more challenge when we have many challenge from the project itself, from the design itself, inclines and the operation of the train and things like that. It create more safety concern, and the training even emphasize more than ever. So that those are questions, and of course when you finish this, you can raise other multiple questions that you can have. But that use your critical thinking, and this one, like I say, is the conceptual, but just to summarize, to synthesize what we learned for different method, construction method of bridge construction that we present in the previous videos.